how to use stock video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use stock video in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your CapCut. Make sure that the CapCut is up to date to the latest version and just log in into your account. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to start a new project. Tap on new project, and after you tap on new project, you should see different options on the top. You can head over to the library section where you should find different stock videos. Now there are different sections such as the trending one, Christmas, New Year's, green screens, backgrounds, and many more. So you can use any of these videos that are in the stock, and yeah, just tap on one and you can just open it up. Just select and add it, and now a new project should begin. And that's basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.